Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the safe search mode on your Google Chrome. So the safe search basically is if you turn on the safe search, you cannot see any inappropriate or explicit or sexual images, text or links or videos in your Google Chrome. It filters all those explicit images or videos. So it is a really easy and helpful tool. To enable it, just go to Chrome and go to google.com/safe search, and after that you can see those three option here. This is the filter option, helps filter out explicit images, text or links, and the second option is blur, helps blur explicit image but explicit text or links may show, and the third option is off. That means you can see all of this explicit image. It now it is up to you. If you want to filter, just click it, but if you don't want to filter it out, just want to blur it out, just click it here. It is up to your preference. So in this way you can turn on the safe charts option on your Google Chrome. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll see you that in the next video.